It's another Yay to Monday!
Yay to
Hello,
Monday, everyone!
My name
I'm
is
Brian
Elaine,
from
and still
Manila.
I'm with Brian.
Hey everyone.
Yay to Monday!
Brian, we have
Yay.
two very special guests.
Yes.
Two very special guests today for this episode.
Mhm.
They're both Polinians, of course,
Yes.
but they are not batchmates.
No.
They were asking me why they were put together in one episode.
Oo.
Sabi ko, meron silang something in common besides being Polinians.
Yes.
So mamaya malalaman natin. Please welcome Tons Mercado Borabo and Roseanne De La Cruz, RA.
Hi guys. Welcome to Yay to Monday. We're so happy to bring you here. And we're so happy you have time to be with us today. So ano yung production nyo nun? Kwento mo naman sa amin, ano yung pinagdaanan mo
Sure.
ng production?
Yeah, isa sa napaka-memorable talagang experience as a com arts student is yung theater arts talaga. And ang batch namin noon, we were the last batch na all girls pa that year. And ang napili was Jesus Christ Superstar.
Oo, big thing yun. Naalala ko yun. Si Miss Ignacio yan, di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Miss Ignacio.
Kami po hairspray yung production namin.
Hairspray.
Okay.
Hello po.
Oh.
Kaya, kwento ka doon. So, what was about your production? Sino ka doon? How did you play the role?
It's a musical. So, talagang nilabas yung talent ng batch namin. So, I was chosen as Pontius Pilate.
Major role siya. So, how did you feel about playing a role na lalaki tapos mga babae kayong lahat?
Exciting kasi that would it means that we have to go out from our comfort zone. And I know that if we go out in our comfort zone, we will learn better. So exciting talaga siya for me back then.
Pero kung ka na, singer ka na rin noon, nagme-musical ka na rin? Or mahilig ka talagang kumanta? Okay, that's good. Ano yung kinanta mo nung nag-audition ka? Alam ko dumadang kayo ng audition yan, di ba?
Oh my gosh, parang nakalimutan ko. Pero nakalimutan ko kung ano yung in-audition ko. Or, I think, inaral ko na mismo talaga yung
song.
Yung song. Tapos, yun na yung yata, ganon siya. Kasi parang the musical director was really testing yung tone, yung pitch, yung I was able to get that role because of yung tono ng boses ko.
Sino yung director niyo dati sa production?
Si Desiree Tan.
Si Des.
Si Des.
Sila R yan. Si R, si Des, yan. Si Tons. Oo, sila yun.
Si RA at saka yung si Tons, no? Tons, yun yung maganda sa inyo. Both of you were really, para sa akin, the way I know both of you, you're very, very determined persons. No? Determinado silang tao kahit anong mangyari. Babangon at babangon sila. And look where they are now, no? Happy people, successful
Very independent.
mothers.
Very independent.
Very independent.
Thank you po.
Tons parang hindi tumatanda, no?
Oo,
Ganun pa rin, no?
ganyan pa rin yung itsura niya. Iba lang yung kulay ng buhok
siya.
niya, pero yung aura mo ganun pa rin.
Thank you po. Kayo din Sabi ko nga, kinakwento ko kay Vino. Sabi ko, si Sir Brian saka si Miss Laline, do you remember them? Sabi nga, oo, parang, di ba sabi mo sa akin nun, para silang si Chico and Delamar. yung chemistry nyo kasi. So, kami
sa
kasi
video.
Parang basta yung chemistry nyo talaga, parang it reminds us of Chico and Delamar. So sabi ko, buti ginawa na nila.
Hala, lagot, Brian.
Anong gusto niya si Vino?
So sabi ko, buti ginawa niyo tong
Thank
Yay to
you.
Monday.
It's a compliment.
No? So,
Yes.
tell us about your entrepreneurial practices or engagement.
Okay.
Kumusta ka naman?
Naiya ako bigla.
Okay.
Entrepreneurial pero ang totoo niyan raketera.
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba parang hindi tayo pwedeng babakantehan. Ganyan. So I manage our food business, Lali's Kitchen. Actually Lali, they thought it was me who's cooking. It's actually Vino, my husband.
Nice.
Ako lang yung taga-kain. Oo,
At
tapos
least,
ako lang yung
diba?
taga-sabi, uy, pwede to ibenta. Sige, benta natin. Ganyan, ako yun. Pero siya talaga yung taga-luto.
Mobile, no? So, ang galing.
Mm-mm.
How long na tong business mo, Tons?
I think a year or more than bago mauso yung mga online food business. Yun doon nag-aano na kami doon. Yun na yung ginagawa namin before.
And Vino is full-time on this or sideline din niya?
Naging full-time na
Full-time na. Ang galing. So lahat kayo nasa bahay. You're enjoying your kids. Di ba?
Exactly.
Ang ganda ng setup.
Yun talaga yung goal. That's what we have prayed for. We're able to witness our kids' milestones and watch them grow and parent them talaga together.
Galing.
Oh. I'm also doing my oils business.
Yes. Yes. Tell us about that.
Ayan, okay. I've been doing this for 3 years already. I would say it's an accidental business.
Mm-mm.
Kasi I never had thought that there was a business side of it. Gusto ko lang talaga nun because ano nga ako, every one of us is dedicated to our health naman, 'di ba?
Yes.
And I like natural wellness, mga organic stuff, ganyan. So I came across essential oils because I was to give birth to Indigo, my third child. And I wanted it to be water birth, all natural, unmedicated approach.
Galing, di ba? So independent thinker tong si Tons. And continue, Tons.
Ayun, so dahil gusto ko nga ng unmedicated birth, I came across no sa pagre-research ko na essential oils can help me
Relax.
undergo or labor, manage labor ng maayos. So dun nag-start yun. Actually, yun yung isa sa magandang bagay about this business is I'm able to reconnect with people and connect with those na hindi ko naman sila, kumbaga malayo sila. Doesn't mean na from Philippines lang, yun lang yung. So it really helped me with my relationships with other people.
Plus, dagdag ko na lang, kasi itong circle na to, although I'm not in the business of it, yung mga tao kasi are into essential oils, they're into alternative health, they're into holistic health. So, pag ginamit mo yung mga tao, meron silang, they have a certain mindset that if you're into it, talaga ma-appreciate mo. Diba?
Totally
Pare-pareho, ibang-iba yung pananaw nila sa buhay.
Okay po.
Tons, you're doing homeschooling.
Yes.
Tama? So, bago pa nag-pandemic, adopted ka na. Di ba? So,
Mm-hmm.
tell us about your homeschooling. No?
Okay. Last year when that was when we decided to homeschool because I left my corporate job. And because I decided na I would surrender everything to the Lord. He knows me better than I do. So sabi ko, sige Lord, hindi ko alam paano gagawin to, pero I trust you. You would guide me. And promise, that was very para sa akin transformation talaga. Kasi parents are thinking that they cannot teach their children if they don't have hindi teacher yung yung course nila or yung career nila.
Teaching,
And para sa akin, it wasn't my qualities before. Yung patience, yung magturo ng iba, but it's like a leading or nasinunod ko na lang.
Yeah.
kay Lord. And because I believe that pag in-entrust ka ng anak, ng bata, it's you who should decide for their education. And that no one should teach your child better than you.
Yes, that's right.
Yes. Tapos ayun, I'm also part of that decision was because parang feeling ko syempre magti-teenager na si Ivona. By the way, she's already 13.
13, yes.
So syempre 'di ba pag teenager na medyo akala alam mo yun yung parang lumalayo na siya sa'yo.
May sarili na siyang world eh.
Yeah. So I thought palagi akong inaano ng mom guilt ko for being away and working away from home. So I thought I should do something while may chance pa ako. So that's where it really started.
So nag-homeschool ka with Ivona and your 2 other kids.
Yeah, Ivona
Galing,
and
diba?
Inigo, who's grade 1 last year. So kung na-accidental lang yan, sabi ko nadamay lang siya. Sabi ko, mag-homeschool ka na rin kasi mag-homeschool yung ate mo.
Tama.
I did not know it was an advantage pala.
Yeah.
Kasi ang unang-unang advantage namin is hindi kami kailangang gumising ng maaga.
Tama. Prepare, cook, di ba?
Yes.
Ayusin lahat. Walang traffic, di ba? Galing.
At saka yun, hindi sila nagkakasakit like they used to. Kasi syempre, di ba
Hindi
pag
sila
sa school,
exposed.
yes,
Hindi sila
mga
exposed.
bata parang pag may nagkaroon ng sakit dito, hawaan na sila.
Mabilis pa kasi nga bata.
Mm.
Hindi nila alam. Ang galing, di ba? Ang galing. I'm so amazed.
RA is back.
Hi,
Hello.
RA. How are you?
Sorry.
Wakas.
So, So kanina, we were talking about theater, tapos medyo may interruption yung signal. Tell us about your theater experience, RA.
Yung play na, yung major production po namin is Hairspray. So
So maraming sayawan. Diba?
maraming sayawan at kantahan.
Kantahan.
So yun yung ako si Little Miss Hairspray. Syempre being the smallest.
The littlest.
So and the jolly type.
Yes.
So yun doon ako nagpo. Tas also syempre dahil konti kami production manager ng
Right.
buong
So umaarte ka na,
So,
PM ka pa.
masaya. Opo. Pero
Oo.
syempre bata pa tayo ng mga panahong yon. So may mga lapses. Kaya may mga lapses na
Oo.
ang hirap din po kasi syempre umaarte ka lang tapos PM ka pa. Yun. Pero masaya experience kasi syempre yun yung inaabangan ng lahat. First year pa lang ako, parang yun na yung yun yung napanood namin. Ang napanood po yata namin ng first year kami, yung third year batch, yung batch ng Joseph.
Joseph the Dreamer.
So,
Joseph the Dreamer
yun
na
yung
inspire
napanood
sa
namin.
Jesus Christ, Superstar. Diba? Hindi niyo napanood si Tons.
Yun.
Hindi.
So sila na hindi namin inabot yung theater class nila kasi third year fourth year na
Fourth
sila
year na
nung
sila.
first year
Tama.
kami.
Tama.
After I graduated, program researcher pa ako sa Kapuso ko Jessica School. And then, saka pa lang ako nag-on cam.
How was it? How was it working in a big network?
Sobrang stressful. Parang siguro tumatagal ng mga 2 hours lang yung tulog. 1 to 2 hours lang yung tulog.
Grabe, no?
Pero, sobrang fulfilling kapag nakita mo yung name mo sa credits pa lang. Yung nakalagay lang yung program researcher. Tapos, yun, iba pa rin pero parang sobrang kasi syempre Kapuso mo Jessica So is one of the best magazine shows in the country.
That's right.
Really, parang yun yung experience ko yun 2 years lang ako pero feeling ko buong buhay ko nagtatrabaho.
Ang dami mo na natutunan, ang dami mo nang ginawa.
Opo,
Diba?
tsaka yung pagiging researcher, parang for me, isa siya sa mga pinakamahirap na trabaho. Kasi, yeah, you know that, sir.
Yes.
Kasi, di ba, parang sobrang, parang natawagan ko na yata yung buong barangay ng buong Pilipinas. Lahat ng barangay sa buong Pilipinas. Para maghanap ng, meron po ba kayo dyan,
Case.
case study, like parang kakaibang case study, mga baboy na 3 yung paa, 2 yung paa, yung mga ganon. Tapos meron mga tumatawa na, ay, may kinakain po ba dyang insekto? May kinakain po ba dyang, sobrang compelling dapat.
Oo, yung mga never mo pang narinig, mga ganyan.
Opo.
Oo. Ang galing.
Yun. So, doon talaga na hone yung yung research. Hindi, syempre maliban sa school, pero nandun ka talaga sa totoong buhay.
Totoong buhay. Yeah.
Nandun na hone yung research skills ko. Feeling ko lahat kaya ko nang hanapin.
Correct. Wala nang hiya-hiya ito. So good lang.
Nag-anchor ka na, news anchor ka na.
Opo, actually siya hindi naman siya intentional kasi feeling ko pag reporter end goal na yon. Akala ko dati end goal ko na yung pagiging reporter. So after ko nag-resign ako sa Kapuso mo Jessica So kasi gusto ko lang na magpahinga at saka parang sobra kasing it's taking toll on me na. So parang sabi ko, kailangan ko na mag-rest. Tapos, yun, habang parang naghahanap ako ng work, nag-open yung opportunity sa Global News Network as reporter. Nagulat ako, reporter agad. Sabi ko, sige. Ayun. So, that was 2013. Pagka pasok ko doon, yun, reporter, tapos parang ilang months lang nag-cover na ako ng Congress na House of Representatives. So parang, okay.
Kung kaya mo nga maghanap ng baboy na 3 yung paa.
Medyo,
Congress pa. Kaya mo yun.
Ay, meron din doon.
Oo
Meron din
nga. Baboy talaga yung example ko. Hindi ko naman sinasadya yun, friends.
So yun, after, parang after na naging desk editor din ako, parang yung mga nag-check.
Oo.
Na nasa peak ako ng, gusto kong maging one of the best reporters in town. Yeah, so nag-a-anchor na ako, tapos naging news director din ako sa GNN. So parang slash field reporter ako, tapos naging news anchor ako, tapos news director din ako. So I lead the team. So yun yung peak na ang dami kong plans bilang news director, na gusto ko maging known yung GNN. Tapos biglang nag-close. Nag-decide na mag-close. So, syempre, medyo frustrated kasi yun nga, parang nag-try ako sa ibang network. Pero wala pang available that time kasi sobrang biglaan. Tapos, start of the year yun, sobrang parang pangit ng 2019 for me. Pero yun nga, biglang may nag-open sa MRT na Media Relations Officer. Sabi ko, connected pa rin naman to sa pagiging media eh. Sabi ko, sige, I'll try. Kasi hindi ako nag-a-apply ng basta-basta lang. Yung tipong kahit hindi ko gusto yung work, hindi ako nag-a-apply. So parang yun, nung nakita ko po, sabi ko, I'll give it a try. Pagka nakapasok ako, tas yung boss namin sa MRT na yung boss namin na communications, sa communications mismo ng DOTR, kasi under DOTR ang MRT. Tas she offered me kung gusto ko daw mag-DOTR. So, yun. Syempre, mas
mataas. National yun.
Ang DOTR kasi MRT.
Oo.
Mas malayo lang yung office, pero okay naman. Kasi, regular media relations officer ako ng secretary. So, kapag may events,
Hilot, baby.
ayun. Pero
Tatanong ko
syempre,
rin sa kanila, Brian, itatanong ko sa kanila. Usually kasi may tinatanong ako sa mga guests. So, isa-segue ko na to.
Go!
Ang tanong is kung ikaw ay blank. So,
ito na yung fun.
Kung ikaw ay isang essential oil, ano ka at bakit?
Ako ready din ako.
Meron agad akong nasa tabi ko.
Wala na akong post-production yan. Nandyan na yung sample.
Oo. Kasi within reach, andito lang din sa work area
Bawat
ko yung mga
sulok
oils.
meron yan eh.
Yes. Kung ako ay isang essential oil, ako ay si Valor.
Wow.
Because it
Paliwanag mo
takes
yung
courage. It takes courage to face every day. I really enjoy living. I really enjoy my families, being together. I enjoy our business, and it takes courage para harapin yon.
RC. Kasi parang for me po kasi parang hindi siya masyadong sikat, hindi siya masyadong di siya masyadong naririnig, di siya masyadong kumbaga parang silent siya, pero hindi mo alam, meron pala siyang mga powerful pala siya.
Sa isang hindi familiar sa essential oil, ano yung RC?
RC stands for respiratory comfort. So, blend siya ng oils na good for respiratory.
RA, asan na yung apo ko?
You're so cute.
Tons.
Memory lane, Tons. Paliwanag mo
Ano
yan.
yan? Kailan?
Recent lang yan eh.
Bakit may ganyan?
Ba't may ganyan? It's because naiya ako. But sa Young Living business ko, I reached a certain rank that meron kaming may recognition this coming November. So they asked us to have a photo. Yeah, because I'm a Young Living Diamond leader already.
Right.
Yan.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Yan.
Sorry.
Nag-stalk kayo sa Facebook
Oo, sila Lane, trabaho niya yan.
O diba,
Asan?
yan ba? Sa dati kong work yan, tapos pag may mga Halloween, trick or treat, kami yung
Costume.
nagde-dress up. Yeah.
Good. Ito ba yung business niyo na to, Tons?
Ito hindi, sa dati kong work,
Birthday?
nag-ano ako before debt collector. So, it was my birthday. Yan. I think that was in 2016.
Uy, ang hirap niyan trabaho na yan,
Mahirap. Tapos, Australians yung usual namin sinisingil. Mahirap siya, pero challenging din. I mean, I really think everything as a challenge, not hindi naman kasi I know that there's really something that you can learn from every challenge that you go through, 'di ba?
Right.
So, masaya din siya yung work na yan, yun lang toxic kasi syempre sino bang gusto magbayad ng utang?
Correct.
Sino bang gustong nahuhuli na nagtago na sila tas di singilin mo? So that was my previous job.
Thank you!
Mapapansin mo iba-iba yung color ng hair nito.
Oo.
Cute mo dyan.
Ang cute.
Ayan dyan yung sa birthing home na kung saan ako manganganak for Indigo. I was pregnant. Hindi ko alam kung familiar kayo sa Shipra birthing home. It's in Taytay, Rizal. It's just a home talaga. Tapos,
So nagstay ka doon nung expected na manganganak ka?
Hindi, bumabalik-balik ako for
Balik-balik.
check-up. Yan.
Okay.
Tapos, pero hindi ako sa kanila nakapanganak eh. Hindi naging successful. Sa hospital pa rin, but nasunod pa rin yung unmedicated na gusto kong birth.
Okay. So natural birth ka kay Indigo.
Natural birth.
Kaya ba ganyan ang buhok mo? Dahil Indigo ang pinagbubuntis mo.
Oo.
Oh,
Tama.
galing!
Tama.
Ay,
Ang cute. Ito na ba si Indigo?
Hindi, si Inigo yan.
Indigo.
Yeah, that's Inigo. So I'm also, aside from natural birth, I am also an advocate of baby wearing. Yun yung alam niyo yung parang sa mga badyaw?
Yes.
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 So, attachment parenting ang sabi nila.
Mhm.
Yes. Kasi if they say, may mga kasabihan na matatanda na, huwag niyo sarayin sa karga ang bata. I seriously believe something else, which is baby wearing. Pag mas alam ng bata na nandyan ka for them, they would grow up ng confident.
Yes.
So, breastfeeding, natural birth, yan.
RA, magpaliwanag ka dito.
Kinakabahan naman ako dyan, mama.
Oh.
Sakto na wala.
Nag-chismis ako. Kanta
May
namin.
mga version na tuloy sila.
Oo, iba-ibang interpretation ng picture. Sabi ko, bago nag-erupt, baka mawala na yung taal, pinuntahan nyo. Ano yung
Actually,
totoo dyan?
sobrang sakto po niyan. Sobrang sakto. Wala lang naman. Parang syempre kasi parang introduce ko lang si Mark. Yan, siya
Kala
yung
ko hindi ko in-introduce eh.
si Mark po. Reporter din siya sa GMA, DZW. Sa GMA, sa DZW. Yes.
GMA.
Yan. So, syempre, dahil toxic nga yung work. So, day tour lang kami sa Tagaytay that time. Tapos, yan. Sakto na parang 2019. So, sakto na 2020 yun na nag-erupt yung Taal.
Yes.
Yan. Nakakatakot yung mga... Parang nakakatakot
Next na, pressure.
Kinakabahan si RA.
Nakakatakot yung mga susunod.
Oh, GNN.
Ayan. Ano yan? Christmas shoot namin for GNN. Christmas and year-end shoot. Kasi parang nag-shoot na kami ng banter para sa special feature namin for Christmas and year-end. Nakakamiss naman yung mga kasama. Yan, si Manny ganito.
Pero
Diyan
dahil
din si
parang
Manny.
teleserye ang positioning nyo dito, bakit ikaw ang nasa gitna? Meron pang
Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit.
Pamilya Saragosa.
Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit.
Ay, ganun ba yun?
Tsaka ako yung pinakamaangas sa kanila.
Nag-demand ng gitna na position. Ayan!
Brian yung isa doon. Si Hanilin yun, Pauline din yun.
Yes, yung kanina. Ito naman, wedding ni Ate Katie. Yan, sila yung mga...
Ellie Joey.
Yan, sila yung mga first college friends. Si Lou, si John, si Jodessa, si Dayan, si Michelle, si Casey. Tapos
Nabutan mo ba, Tons? Si KD?
Yes, si Joey kasi ang aming musical director.
Superstar.
Musical director.
Tapos alam ko mag-sweetheart na sila ni Kitty. Nga ba? Oo yata.
Tama.
Yes, kasi sabayan ko yata yung si Kitty eh. Wow.
Ang bata pa niya dito, Parang
Grabe!
high school, si
Kakagraduate
RA.
lang.
Hindi po yan.
Nene.
Course requirement
Nene,
yan.
saan yan
Sa ABS yan, course requirement namin. Attorney. Sa TV Prod. TV Prod. So,
Positioning.
pumunta kami dyan kasi di ba naka-backpack pa si ate girl?
At framing, di ba? Grabe.
TV Prod po yan.
Sino kumuha ng picture mo? Sino kumuha ng picture dito at ang galing ng framing niya?
Or next picture
Sino
na
ba?
lang.
Hindi. Basta yan.
Oh.
Oh,
Ayan,
Oh.
news anchor ako sa
News
GNN.
source.
So, yan, alam ko yan yung first kong salang na bilang regular news anchor.
Yeah, thank you for
Wow.
sharing.
Kabado,
Pasensya na,
kinakabahan
kayo.
Kabado ako eh.
Oo, pero may complete na sentence tayo.
Bakit si Tons hindi kinakabahan? Bakit ikaw kinakabahan? May secret
Wala, hindi ko lang po.
ano?
Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan ka nakarating eh. Na-stalking eh.
Ay, nako, Lalen. We're so happy that our guest had
Yes.
time to join us for today, Yay to Monday. And we'd like to appreciate you for sharing, being open to us. Lalo na alam ko maraming mga Polinians yung talagang matututo out of your experience. Makita nila right after graduation how much their education could contribute to decisions they make and things that they go through. So, yun, I appreciate it so much that you shared a lot to us. Laling.
And I feel honored na kami yung naisip nyo for this episode. Kami ni
Oh,
RA.
Lutang tong dalawang to eh, si Tons tsaka si RA. Lutang na lutang. Oo.
Thank you, sobrang thank you po. Alam mo, actually,
Very
sabi ko kay...
positive. Very positive.
Yeah.
Oo. Yes, RA.
Thank you. Actually, sabi ko po, alam mo, nagtaka din ako. Sabi ko, ba't kaya si Ate Tons? Sabi ko, kasi ang layo ng namin ng agwat namin. Tapos nung sinabi nga, parang, ako, I took it as an opportunity to learn also from her, from her experiences, ganyan. So, sobrang thank you for having us here sa Yay to Monday. Kasi nung una pa lang nung first nung pilot nyo,
Episode?
sobrang sabi ko.
Tinanood ko din
cute.
yan.
May nostalgic feels.
Oo. Lalo na pag Polinian ka, maraming
Pero
memories.
sabi ko, nakakamiss naman.
Oo. Yes. We had an episode na hindi rin sila kabatch. 'Di ba? Pero ang ganda kasi kita mo how consistent the qualities of the Polinian is across different year levels. Close.
Yes.
Mona, yes.
So, thank you very much to our two guests. We really enjoyed talking to you, and thank you for sharing even your darkest and deepest secrets to us. Maraming salamat. We learned a lot from you.
Thank
And
you.
sabi ko kanina, ano yung mga common elements nilang dalawa? Sabi ko, feeling ko lang ang common elements nila, pareho silang na in love. Pareho
Sa
silang
maling tao.
dumaan sa mga challenges,
Oo.
hindi ba? At pareho sila ngayon victorious, bumangon, and happy moms. At higit sa lahat, grounded Polinian. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Maraming
lahat.
salamat. Thank you. Kita naman sa oras na ating ginugol para sa kanila, nag-enjoy tayong lahat. So, yeah, so thank you very much to all our viewers. We hope that you enjoyed listening to all of us, and we hope that you come back again for Yay to Monday. So, for our guests, salamat, and we'll see you soon.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye.
See you Monday!